In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo a sent email in Outlook, step by step, so you never have to panic after hitting send again. If you've ever sent an email too early, made a typo, attached the wrong file, or emailed the wrong person, this Outlook feature can be a lifesaver. Outlook gives you two different ways to undo a sent email, but most people don't know how they work or how to enable the best option. Today, I'll clearly explain both methods and then walk you through how to turn on the undo send option so you get a few extra seconds to cancel an email after sending it. This tutorial is simple, beginner-friendly, and works great for everyday Outlook users. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, let's quickly understand the two ways Outlook allows you to undo a sent email. The first option is using the undo button that appears immediately after you send an email. This only works for a few seconds and must be enabled in your settings, which I'll show you how to do in a moment. The second option is recalling an email from your sent items folder. However, this recall feature has major limitations. It only works if both you and the recipient are using Microsoft Outlook with an active Microsoft 365 subscription, and it only works if the recipient has not opened the email yet. Because of these restrictions, the recall feature is unreliable and doesn't work in most real-world situations. That's why, in this tutorial, I'll focus on the most practical and reliable option, which is enabling the undo send feature for a specific duration after sending an email. Now let's walk through how to enable the undo send option in Outlook. First, open Outlook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Outlook loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will open the Outlook settings panel. From here, click on View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the panel. Now you'll see the full settings menu. On the left side, click on Mail. Under Mail, select Compose and Reply. This section controls how Outlook behaves when you're writing and sending emails. Once you're in Compose and Reply, scroll down or use the search bar within Settings and search for Undo Send. When you find the Undo Send option, you'll see a slider or drop-down that lets you choose how long Outlook should give you to undo an email after you click Send. You can set this duration anywhere from a few seconds up to a maximum of 30 seconds. Choose the amount of time that works best for you. Most people select the full 30 seconds to give themselves enough time to catch mistakes. After selecting your preferred duration, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. This step is very important. If you don't click Save, the Undo Send feature won't be activated. Once saved, the Undo Send option is now enabled in your Outlook account. Now let's see how it works in practice. The next time you send an email, you'll notice a small Undo option appear at the bottom of the screen immediately after sending. If you realize you made a mistake, simply click Undo within the time limit you selected. Outlook will cancel the sent email and reopen it in the Compose window, allowing you to make changes or delete it entirely. After the time limit expires, the email will be sent normally and can no longer be undone using this method. This feature is incredibly useful and can save you from embarrassing or costly email mistakes. And that's it. You've now learned how to undo a sent email in Outlook by enabling the Undo Send option and setting a delay that works for you. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.